welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do another makeup tutorial, and I let my friends or viewers to choose what will be my next makeup tutorial. So today we're gonna do a galaxy makeup look or makeup tutorial, and I got this idea from Nirvana. Hello there, Mamita. I'm sure you're watching my vlog, and thank you so much. Anyway, don't mind the mess behind me, but yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I always remind you to wash your face and make sure that you have a clean face before starting your makeup, because you don't want to have a breakout. So I started applying foundation all over my face, and I'm not using any brush at this time. After that, I blended with a beauty blender. I started on my neck and then up to my chin and to my cheek. Feeling cute, huh? Next is applying a loose powder. So I set my face using a setting powder and I apply it using a kabuki brush and then brush it all over my face. Next step is the eyebrows. So I'm using again the Anastasia pomade, and I'm using a eyebrow brush with a spoolie brush on the other side. So I started to fill the gap on the end part of my eyebrows, and then after that I finish the other one. So to define your eyebrows, use a concealer and outline your eyebrows to make it look prettier. Going back to the setting powder, I applied some of it under my eye before I apply an eyeshadow. Since I don't have any eyeshadow concealer, I'm going to use the eyeshadow concealer from my nude palette by Huda Beauty, and I applied it first on my eyelid before applying eyeshadow. So since I don't have any new eyeshadow palette, going back to my old eyeshadow palette, just choose the hot pink eyeshadow, and that will be your first eyeshadow that you're gonna apply on your eyelid. And make sure to blend it with your eyeshadow brush and apply it on the inner corner of your eyelid. So the second eyeshadow color is a purple or violet or anything that can actually match the hot pink eyeshadow. So make sure that you just blend them together and make a gradient effect. For the outer corner of my eyelid, I'm going to use a blue eyeshadow, or you can actually use a royal blue, anything that can match the purple one. So make sure that you blend them together and avoid making them like a circle shape. So just blend it using your eyeshadow brush and then move on. Okay, so going back to the Huda Beauty palette, just grab a concealer brush and then cut the crease using the eyeshadow concealer. Make sure that they match on the other eye. So just cut the crease just like what I'm doing. And yeah. Going back to the blue eyeshadow, I started to blend the outer corner of my eyelid and blend the end part of the crease. Next is I applied a glitter eyeshadow and I choose the light pink and the purple one. So just be careful on applying a glitter eyeshadow because you don't want a glitter getting into your eyeballs. And then finish the other eye. So I started applying the light pink glitter eyeshadow and then I blend the purple one. I know it's kind of messy, but I'm sure that it will gonna look pretty later. Okay, so I just dust off the excess powder on my face after applying an eyeshadow, and then going back to your eyeshadow palette, just grab a small eyeshadow brush and then use the same colors that you used on your eyeshadow palette and then apply it under your eye. Next thing is the contouring powder. So I started to contour my face from my forehead into my cheek and then to my jawline. Also, don't forget to contour your nose to make it look smaller. After that, I'm going to apply a blush on by Maybelline. So I started to use another brush and then just apply it onto your cheek to look cute. And then highlighter. So I started to apply a highlighter top of my cheek using an eyeshadow brush, then to my nose and to my upper lip. So we are almost done. So I'm using a liquid eyeliner by Ashley and then just apply it to your eye and make a wing. So after that, use a mascara before applying your eyelashes or your fake eyelashes. So grab your falsies and apply them. I also applied a short falsies or fake eyelashes under my eye to make my eyes look bigger. Finally, a lip cream. The last thing that you need to do is to apply a lipstick or lip cream or any lip product that you want to apply on your lips. So I'm using a Maybelline lip cream and I just need to apply it and I'll show you the final look. So this is the final look for the Galaxy makeup tutorial and I hope you like it, lovies. If you have any ideas that you want me to do on my next vlog, just comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.